saying? Look at the interior though. Somebody said G20 interiors was better than this. G20 don't got no blood red guts like this. They got red interiors now, but they don't got it like this. Listen to that idle though. I'm gonna just let the car sit here and just charge up for a minute before I take it out. I'll probably just take it out on the back roads right now and just do a couple pulls, bro. I'm trying to go out every day and make vlogs for y'all boys, but I can't. And BMW taxing me $400 for a battery. That boy's new to the channel though, drop that like, comment, subscribe, man. Listen to this DCT, chat. We made it up the driveway. About to give y'all boys a little POV drive on the back roads. Just so I could drive the car for a little bit. Feel what I'm saying? Shit nice as hell. Oh my god. Look at the side profile though, chat. And listen to that idle. But yeah, man, we about to hop in here, give y'all boys some crazy ass POVs. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man. Feel what I'm saying? What the fuck? Allah crack. Gunshot. I forgot my hat clip, so I'm trying to hold this shit in my goddamn mouth.
What do you mean by that?
Listen to this shit. I'm about to make a U-turn right at this. Yo, look at that. Why is that showing up and I ain't even close to these niggas? I'm about to make a U-turn right here. God damn. Listen to that intake, man. Oh my days. Fuck is going on here? Oh my God. Intake. Oh my God. Fuck is going on with all this smoke? God damn. Watch this shot. I hope y'all boys enjoy them little back road pulls, man. I just took the car on a little drive because I'm tired of the battery being dead. Trash. And we got the cam, and we got that on the cam. Trash.
Okay,
Shoot that shit.
If I make this,
You're not redeeming yourself.
if I make this, then
Come here. I thought me like starting and leaving it up there to charge, driving the car would at least give it a little bit of something. Like
it's probably just dead.
What I've been telling y'all niggas in the devil, man. Like, comment, sub so we could go buy that M5, bro. Nigga, so I just came home, just tried to start the car again. This bitch won't ever start, bro. Look at the battery. Shit just sitting there acting like a bitch. And y'all know, if I get like a regular battery from somewhere else, then my car probably throw some codes or some of the shit in the car probably won't work. And that's the easiest way I could explain it for y'all. Because some of the batteries probably don't have enough power to send to the shit. I don't know how to explain it to y'all. Y'all just gonna have to do y'all research. I'm not a mechanic. I just know enough to know that if I just get a regular battery from AutoZone, it won't work. But with that being said, man, I'll catch y'all boys in the next one, though.